So I've been thinking for a while about what I actually want to do with this YouTube channel, and if you've been around, you may have noticed that I haven't really put up any videos in a bit. Life's been kind of crazy for me lately, just with my day job that I currently have, which is not as a mechanic, unfortunately. I decided the entire reason that I wanted to become a mechanic was to just kind of help people, like friends and family and whatnot, because automotive repairs can be exceptionally expensive, especially if you're going to like a dealership or like a high-end mechanic shop. They'll even be pretty expensive too, and just the cost of car parts are expensive. So being able to have some help to fix things yourself, I think, is important. So that's kind of the direction I want to go with this channel. Just want to provide clear, concise information to help people help themselves, you know what I mean? If you're interested in that sort of thing, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what kind of videos would maybe be helpful. Yeah, if you want to see some interesting repair content, I want to start doing that. Whether it's like how to diagnose your window circuit or whatnot. I actually had an idea to have like Chat GPT make me like a course curriculum for like basic automotive information, and maybe I would just make videos based off of that. I think that might be kind of interesting. So once I get home, maybe I'll start looking into doing that. I think I probably picked the wrong road to film this video on because it's gravel and full of potholes, but I assume you can hear me. If not, I'm gonna dub this audio and it'll be really funny. I still want to do my Twitch streams. I think Twitch. Maybe it'll end up being YouTube, but for now it's gonna be Twitch, and where I just play some games and kind of unwind, and hopefully have some viewers who are interested in my automotive content come over there, and hopefully some of you who were watching my gaming content over there come to my YouTube channel here, and it kind of just all kind of helps itself. I think that's kind of the goal anyway. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see me do next, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.